Have you ever seen numbers like 121, 1331, 444? They look the same forward and backward. These are called palindromes. Today we are we will learn how to check palindrome using a while loop. Is 121 is palindrome? To write a code, I just open my PyCharm, and here I created a file palindrome using whileloop.py. So first of all, I am going to write all my code num equal to 121. We are going to check is this num is one is palindrome or not. So we create a variable num and we store the value 121. This is our original number. I want to store this original number in my temp variable because we don't want to lose the original value. And then I am going to create a variable rev for the reverse of 121 to check if this palindrome or not. So I initialize with value 0, and inside this rev we are going to store reverse number. After that I am going to apply the while loop while temp is greater than 0. This loop will runs until number becomes 0. Inside this loop I am going to write the temp modulus 10. This part will give us gets last digit. After gets last digit, I am going to copy here. So I am writing here again, copy here, and here rev multiply by 10 plus, and after that I am going to store inside rev. And rev multiply by 10 will help us to get shifts digits left. Basically this whole line will help us to add the last digit, then builds the reversed number, gets the last digit, then shifts digit left. So after that we have to temp equal to temp. On this line basically we are going to remove the 121, the last digit 1 from the num temp. Inside temp we have num 121. So basically we are removing the one last digit from temp. Let me understand you with the help of this chart. On step 1 we have 121 in temp, and after temp modulus 10 we have 1, and inside rev we have 1. So on step 2 we have 1 2 and temp 2, and we get 1 2. On the next step we get 1 2 1. After that we have to compare the num and the, if num equal to rev it is palindrome, otherwise not. And this checks come outside while when I run my code I am getting palindrome.